Hello everybody, welcome to another vlog. Today in Valletta, as you can see, our Maltese Parliament. I am in Valletta Main Street, and today we're going to have a particular vlog because today we are going to visit Valletta. As many of you didn't see it before, we're going under the street, so today it will be Valletta underground. I am going to go in a guided tour because I cannot go alone as I did before, but I promise you it's going to be very, very interesting. So now let's go to our meeting point, which is the Archaeological Museum, and from there they will tell me where we're going to start. Price is going to be 15 euros for this tour, and approximately is around 1 hour. If I'm not mistaken, the tickets have to be pre-booked online, which I did. I showed them and now I wait here for my guide. And I have to say I'm excited because it's beautiful, this place. And another thing, look, the beauty of this place is amazing. So now we are giving this cap, which are like safety helmets and lights. So now we are heading to go down underground. So now let's head to the underground side. Very importantly, I will not be filming the guide because he expressed that he doesn't wish to be filmed. So that's what I will do. Very important, people coming to this side, come with shoes, because if you are with flip-flops or open shoes or sandals, you will not be allowed to go under. So take care. On our way, Malta never disappoints, because we have to go down from here. This is from where you go down, and we are headed underground. We have our lights on. Underground Valletta. One have to take care of the steps. That's why we have the helmets around here. Here we reached the first cistern, because it all started as a cistern here. And if you look up here, it was like a well. I think it was in 1566 it started to be used. Here you can see a portrait of Hitler here, because then in 1941 here started being used as a World War II shelter. As you can see here, let me reduce a little bit the light. Some crosses, gates, and here we have another portrait. So now let's go and join the others. You have to take care because it's slippery now. Okay, we started going down, and what was now a World War II shelter. There are other places one can visit. We have one of our guides here, which we thank him.
More space. Together, the same applies to what comes behind.
Here we entered another cistern after the stairs. This has been, you can see here, wiring from World War II, most probably. This have a ceiling, a concrete ceiling, which was done later. And here it was did a waterproofing layer. One can also see here how beautiful, let me reduce the light, how beautiful some graffiti are here. And we have this car, I remember it was World War II. So now let's continue to reach the others. We are still going down. One have to take care because it's a little bit slippery here. We are a group of 12, if I'm not mistaken. Look how nice it is here. These are the shelters where people used to refuge and actually make them like their house. They used to stay here. As you can see, they were dug by hand with a pick, and we still going down. Plenty of water. So coming here, take care, you get good shoes, you don't slip. Here we have some shelvings and stuff. Here you have to dug down because it's pretty low. See how nice it is. It's worth it here. Don't miss it. We have some water, so I try not to slip. Other shelters and all of there. And finally here, it's very cool, eh? And if you can see here, you have even other.
So now basically you find yourselves in shelters or...
Here one can find some candles, although they used to have some electricity here as well, but it was intermittent. Here, some people even used to put tiles, so they will make the ir-Rih more comfortable. Unfortunately, there were no toilets here, so they used to use buckets. Imagine here, with the buckets, the smell, the bombs, all these people here, they think it was pay 15 to 20,000 used to be here. And with food, mice and cockroaches used to be here. Get on in. Water is dripping as it was at that time as well. Here we can see some markings as well. There are some of them that had tiles as well. Remember to get one of these cubics. It was not so easy. Imagine being down here and everything shaking by the bombs. This is more crude. And we are still going around in this place. Look how beautiful the tiles are. We were scavenged from the things that collapse.
So here basically now you find yourselves and you find yourselves on the part of Merchant Street, as is written, and the same.
Let me show you all. There's an east here with the cross. How beautiful. Look at the flower. Water dripping there as it was at that time. And these could have been for bunk beds. Imagine staying in this place, how small it was to have 8 people here. Amazing. Let's go. Here we have find some other here. And here, as you can see, Merchant Street. Here we are under Merchant Street. We have more tunnels inside here. More shelters. How big it is. It's worth it to go on this door.
Again, people have stayed like sardines. There is a video before you left your bag.
We are still going around there. Some nice tiles as well, and these tiles. And it looks like some bulkheads, and they put some shelves as well. Look how many there are here. Look. Some of these tiles, how beautiful they are. And normally this cubicle were for a family. Imagine 8 people. Look how beautiful it is here. Let me remove the light. Holy Mary. We have more here. Here the ceiling is more. Maybe there was a collapse around it. A lot of water dropping there.
Keep in mind on both sides of that slow the movement in case they need to exit the shelters faster. Okay, so again, those simple displays are very, very important.
Which shelters are on there? And we have this nice tiles again. Yeah, they are very some of them. They really have some nice tiles on them. And look how big it is. Remember, it was used with 15 to 20,000 people here during World War. We have roads coming down. Remember that this started as a villa, which has been concreted now. More tiles inside. People will pay a lot of money now to get a house with such tiles. There is a collapse.
Here, on my left, is evidence of what happened most. Okay? So basically, once my grandma.
And there's going to be like a cupboard in here.
Now I understand because we can't disclose
This is the problem with such places.
Also, these
Imagine being here.
located
It's a big collapse here.
because now we have underground labyrinth leading to public and private places, so they sort of avoid the eventuality.
Man, the idea that people coming here, the guide gives very interesting information about this place.
Now, if you go through
More labyrinth.
the residential area of Valletta, you will see this again. This is another testament
It's
of
explaining everything.
the material culture.
With these cubicles, how nice, how area. The wall, and maybe there was a vase where somebody can put some flowers or both sides one day. Or cubicles. We are still moving on. More collapses here, that's why. Imagine being here and with all the bombs. Imagine Malta was one of the most bombarded places in Europe or in the world. Here we have a nice staircase going up, but we have to continue on this side. We have to mind our head. And now we are in this amazing cistern.
So basically now here you find yourselves in a water reservoir which dates to the time of the Court of St. John. Now in terms of level, you are around 2 to 3 stories below. Basically if you look that way here, how the place came to be. So initially it served as a quarry for nearby
Amazing, yeah? There's the wall here. Look how big this cistern is. The roots are. And this is how big this area is. Now we are heading to another part. We have the step here, so take care. We have our guide taking care of us. And he's taking a lot of patience with me today, which I tell him big thank you. And now from this cistern, look how big it is. We start heading, and these are our routes. Amazing, yeah? And yet, we came to another part. At the end, you even have a small video, which is very, very interesting about this place. People are going up now because we have stairs and we are going to surface where there's the court. It was a very, very well tour, especially with the tour leader. He knew his stuff, and it was really interesting. And now we have to leave this place, but it was really worth it. And now it's time for some fresh air. So put some more light around. Look how nice it is here. Now our tour is over and we are heading for some fresh air. I have to thank our guide, which is super camera shy, but he knows his stuff, because he tells me numbers and in 2 seconds I forget and he knows them. Then I have to ask him again. So now, let's head up. Oh, yeah, you see this metal staircase. And here we are outside again. And we surface in front of the courts here. Let me show you where we are. This is on one side, and here on the other. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful vlog from Valletta. I was amazed how beautiful it is down there. I was amazed by the amount of information we're giving by the guide. He's a little bit camera shy, but he knows his stuff. I don't know why he's shy, because his knowledge is amazing. I paid 15 euros for this, and I have to say it was worth it. I will have to come here again, to tell you the truth, and next time I will come with Sharon. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Pierre Farrugia, and on my Instagram, Pierre Farrugia Malta. Until next time, bye bye. Now I return this one and go to drink something.